Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Continental knitting stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to knit the box stitch. It consists of simple knits and purls, so it's a very easy beginner friendly pattern as long as you know how to do both the knit and the purl stitch. It is a 4-row repeat and the stretch on it is actually pretty decent. It's not so extreme that you can't use it for high traffic projects, so with this nice little texture, it is pretty good for blankets and scarves, things like that. So without further ado, I would love to dive into this tutorial for you guys. Before I do so, I ask that you subscribe and ring that notification bell so I can be a part of your future Continental knitting journey. Alright, let's dive in. To create this pattern, you'll want to cast on in multiples of 4 and then add an additional 2. For today's swatch, I did a total of 22 stitches. Alright, for row 1, which is our right side of our work, we are going to knit the first 2 stitches. So insert your needle. Gonna knit the first stitch, and then the second stitch. And then we are going to dive right into our repeat for this row. So that will be purl 2, knit 2 to the end. So bring the yarn forward. Purl 2, bring the yarn to the back, knit 2, all the way across this row. Alright, and that is row 1. Now on to row 2, we're going to turn our work. We're going to keep the yarn to the front and we are going to purl the first 2 stitches. So 1, 2. Alright, now we are going to start the repeat for this row, which is knit 2, purl 2 to the end. So knit the next 2 stitches. Purl the next 2 stitches. All the way across. Purl 2. Alright, and that is the end of row 2. Now we are on to row 3. We're going to bring the yarn to the front of our work, so we turn our work. And we are going to again start this row off with a purl 2. Alright, And now we're going to jump into our pattern of knit 2, purl 2 to the end. And that is the end of row 3. Now on to row 4, we're going to turn our work. And we are going to knit the first 2 stitches. Alright, and now we are going to start our repeat of purl 2, knit 2 to the end. Last 2. Alright, and to continue building up this pattern, you would repeat rows 1 through 4 until you achieved your desired length. Now this is the back side of the work that I didn't show you guys in the beginning, but I personally feel like this stitch is reversible. This texture on the back is also very nice to me. But this is the front side of the work. And I should have mentioned earlier on that you can use a stitch marker while you're doing this so you don't forget which side is which, because sometimes it's easy to do that. Anywho, I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content from me. I typically post these knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. So if you want to hop on and join me when these go up, again, don't forget to please subscribe. Speaking of subscribing, I have a pattern members club out there for you guys. So my pattern members club covers all of my crochet, knitting, and central knitting machine written patterns. And what it is, it's a way for members to get access to my full content library. So whether you knit, crochet, or do stuff on the Centro, you'll be able to find not only my written instructions, but also the step-by-step video tutorials that accompany them. I release 2 new patterns or designs per month so that somebody will always have something to make over there, and I release them in rotation. If you want to support this content and keep it going in the future as well as make cool stuff, then head over there and sign up today. You can find the link to that down in the description box below. Make sure you head over, watch the info video, read the little text. There's two options. You can either subscribe monthly or quarterly if that's not your thing. I do have a promotion going on for the first 100 people to sign up. You can get 20% off your first month when you enter in the promo code LetMeStitch. I hope to see you guys over there, but otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy making.